generation. Overground to die, nigga. Free tune. Yo. All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, hit you up for them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for pounds. Fuck all that talking, they laying you down. Gotta teach niggas about playing around. Cartel connected, you better respect it. Fuck up the paper, send you to your maker. They laying you 6 feet under the ground. Riding with choppers messed up like Chewbacca. Got dressed like a roster, free all of my partners. This one was Sosa and Gio, I got you. Bentley was happening, Latona was cracking. Dub, TG, Daru, what it do? Down, I see you, lay back and be cool. I'm fucking this hoe when she wet as a pool. I'm feeding her dick and you buying her food. Shopping and robbing and shopping, break bread with my niggas, you know how we rockin'. Hitting these licks and counting this cake. I don't give a fuck, I'm burying my face. Hoping I live to see me a new day. He got that chopper and ready to spray. I'm running through bitches, what more can I say? Kush came from Cali, shout out to the Bay.
Niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. I be with the dope boy like that nigga Ricky. Money got me hypnotized like that nigga Biggie. It's get rich or die trying like that nigga 50. And I'm about to go dumb like Timmer.
You ain't talking money, we look at you funny, little nigga, you wasting your breath. I told my niggas I see you at dinner, we eat until nothing is left.
My bro in the kitchen, he chef, but he keep that tech, you would thank you, ref. That 30 on me like I'm Steph, but all of my bitches is Jazzy, is Jeff. Fresh, Prince in the city of Queens, chasing that sack till they crown me a king. Sacramento home team, I'm better than clever, but harder than Weber whenever. Whoever, however they want it. No competition, ain't got no opponents. My seat at the throne, they can't stand that. Cause I am Eminem, Kim, and Stan rap.
A nigga might start shooting a fire, I don't know y'all. My city made a nigga heart so cold, dog. Yo, bitch got nice lips and I'm like road dog. Pole foes till I'm throwed off. The biggest menace since Dennis and old dog. Ayy,
niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.
To keep it 100, I'd rather get blunted. These bitches be out for the smash. I bleed for my brothers, I love when we thuggin', they running your spot for the cash. A bitch nigga run up, I post her with gun as they go down, they bustin' your ass. I'm up to the sun up, I'm jugging with Bird, no stunner, we overground hard for this cash. We ain't kidding like JK, my own boy got an AK. Only aiming where your hood hang. It's like a fella like Just Blaze. The AKMJ, how I get face. Pussy nigga Shaq feet, boy, you been gay. These niggas MIA, like where the East stay. I'ma catch him with the work in the breezeway. Better freeze or catch a bullet like a breeze plate. We need cake like a B-day. I hang with my niggas, my woes. Don't fuck with too many, cause niggas be hoes. Big bitches ain't shit, they go fuck with your foe. Off for the smash, so I'm passing the hoe. Sprint to the money, I dash and I go. Cause niggas be bitches and acting like hoes. Be screaming for 12 when they call them the most.
Niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds. Niggas, I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas, I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.
TG Thug.
Still go crazy on yappers, run with them choppers, cooking up beef with that China. I'm a young nigga who's solid, max on that shotter. WTG, that's on my mama. Show me a check or show me respect. Either way you go, I'm coming for next. These bitches around me, they know I got next. You taking her out, I'm taking them out. She strip on the side, I'm dick on the side. Broke down the whole brick and got rich on the side. Come to my crib, you see killers inside. Shout out to Beater, I'm from the north side. Bless up the Getty, I love the west side. Thuggin', 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 thuggin' it out. Boy, your shit down. Come to my city, you might not get out. You might not get out. Niggas be claiming they know me, don't know what you talking about. What you talking about? Nigga, don't try to libro me. You'll get a gun in your mouth. A gun in your mouth. My nigga, that's not a real rollie. Why are you playing around? See, you let these bitches control you. You are not fit for the crime. Kings.
Niggas I know they come shop for the work. Lay you on the floor and take all of your cash. Fucking these bitches, no cuffing these bitches, no loving these bitches, they all for the smash. Niggas I know they come shop for the bricks. Lay you on the floor and take all of your pounds. Got love for my niggas, shed blood for my niggas, bust slugs for my niggas, I die for my rounds.